and the pure bass jumps from C0 an octave higher to C1 to slightly raise the second part of the intro. In addition, the percussion now starts with velocity to give the intro more power. Hello my friends, this is Sven, aka Murgrund. Let's go one step further today with the analysis and piano tutorials of Haryon's Gondor Amon. We'll do the rest of the introductory section today. After that, the first main melody appears, which we'll cover in the next video. Let's take a look at the entire introductory section at original speed. I will comment on what happens. The start begins with the main pattern over the harp. Bass and the choir I took for additional bass each play the root note of C minor then F minor. Here again there is only the change from C minor to F minor. Now the main pattern changes to the strings and the harp changes to the rhythm. And the pure bass jumps from C0 an octave higher to C1 to slightly raise the second part of the intro. In addition, the percussion now starts with velocity to give the intro more power. The rhythm expands by one level and moves to the next higher octave. The rhythmic high notes of the harp only play the root note C and root note F, so stage 1 C minor and then stage 1 F minor. In this section, the strings each have two notes more at the ends. This allows the main melody to fit in perfectly later. Don't forget to like, subscribe and write something in the comments to help me bring the channel forward. Thank you. I'll show you that briefly now. Here is the first melody. It is played by the flute at C5 down to C4. To make the melody fit, I had to extend the initial pattern a little as previously shown. Let's take a look at the new rhythm. You play it with your right hand. With the left hand, you will play what the strings play. This is a great exercise to improve your sense of rhythm and your dexterity enormously. As usual, I will first show you the finger position and exercise at the recommended speed. When you are in the realization, then practice each hand separately until you can do the pattern. Then join both hands together. This can be a little difficult at first, but make a game of skill out of it. As you work your way through it, it will take you rhythmically to the next level. So let's look what is to do. Okay, you know what to do. As always, I'll make you a 5-minute loop at this slow speed. If you can play with both hands at this speed, just increase the speed via YouTube if you want to play with the loop. Very good! Now you have managed to play the first complex pattern with both hands on the piano. That's great, isn't it? Above all, by playing slowly you were able to recognize exactly on which notes the right hand, which played the high notes, was used. Practice the beginning videos as often as you can until you get a good foundation. The more you can do, the easier it will be. Thank you for taking part. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See you for the next video.